Sea turtles are very highly migratory. As hatchlings, they circle around the Atlantic, at least in this part of the world. There may be thousands of miles involved. And then they travel perhaps several hundred miles to an adult foraging site. They're almost constantly on the move.
So the tracking data is really important because it shows us what migratory routes the turtles are taking when they're moving from one habitat to another, either seasonally or like the turtle we tagged today, within the next 6 months to a completely different habitat, perhaps down in the Caribbean. And it's important that we know where those habitats are so that we can conserve them.
We test the turtle's ability to detect magnetic fields by putting them in a magnetic coil. So a magnetic coil is a system that allows us to reproduce Earth-strength magnetic fields. And what we can do is we put the turtles in there and we'll expose them to magnetic fields from different locations across the globe, and we see how they respond to those fields. We know that turtles can detect two components of Earth's magnetic field. The first is the strength of the magnetic field, and the second is actually the angle that the magnetic field lines make with the surface of the Earth. And so they can use those two components kind of like latitude and longitude as a type of map. They have really specific feeding and breeding sites, and they return to the same locations year after year. So what I'm testing is whether they can learn a magnetic field and associate it with food. That's something that they might do in the wild as they're learning different feeding grounds.